All right, we are cold and quiet this evening, not as frigid as last night, but we're still well below freezing. Take a look outside under partly cloudy skies, good visibility and quiet. We do anticipate some flurries and some snow showers overnight tonight into at least tomorrow morning, and then we're back to some drier weather tomorrow afternoon. But looking okay in Providence. At last check, the temperature coming in at 24. So the temperature will slowly actually rise during the overnight and early tomorrow morning, especially along the South Shore. So here's the setup. It ranges from 15 in Smithfield to 26 in Newport and 26 in New Bedford. Note the arrows. It doesn't look like much here, but notice the wind is now coming in from the south. So coming in off the ocean. So what it will do is actually draw in some low cloudiness overnight, some increased humidity, some increased moisture in the air. The asphalt is still pretty cold, even though it does have a lot of salt residue from when the roads were treated last week. Still the potential for maybe a little bit of icing overnight, early tomorrow morning. I want to check in on the early morning newscast. So here's how we'll play things with some late night, overnight flurries and some icy spots, some patchy areas of black ice potentially early in the morning. Now we do have milder temperatures on the way this week. Starting tomorrow afternoon, we'll get above freezing, and we do have some light snow showers for tomorrow morning. Dry tomorrow afternoon. Looks good for Santa tomorrow night, and then sunshine for Christmas Day on Wednesday. So here's a satellite photo of the clouds starting to work in right now. We've got moisture to our west. That's the light snow showers that'll work in very late tonight into tomorrow morning. But that light southerly breeze, which normally wouldn't be a big deal, but the fact that the asphalt is so cold and we're pulling in a little moisture in off the Atlantic, again, there may be some icy spots early in the morning. So area of low pressure, this is going to be a fast mover, but you see snow to the north of it and some rain showers to the south. That'll be coming through tomorrow morning in the form of mainly light snow showers and flurries, and then gone during the afternoon. So you see that little strip of blue passing through around roughly mid-morning and then racing offshore. Notice by about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, some partial sunshine coming through. And then by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, looking good for Santa. Clear skies or clear to partly cloudy. And here we are, Christmas Day. Sunshine, chilly, but at least it's just above the freezing mark. So the weather looks good for a better part of Wednesday. Getting real close, and this is tomorrow morning at about 7 a.m. Upper 20s to low 30s, maybe a few icy spots. Watch the patch of blue coming through. What time? This is about 9 o'clock. Snow showers coming through about 10. By noontime, it's offshore. And then take note, the second half of the day, we start to see some of that partial clearing working in with some developing sun. As far as snowfall amounts, it's not a lot, but you see this little thin gray shading right in here. So along the Route 95 corridor, north and west, you may get a coating out of this. And this would be for tomorrow morning. So this is how we'll play things with the potential for some icy spots tomorrow morning and some scattered snow showers, light temperatures, low to mid 30s. And then dry tomorrow afternoon. We'll start to see some at least partly sunny skies developing during the afternoon hours, and temperatures topping out mid 30s. Christmas Eve for Santa, weather looks good. Clear skies and seasonably chilly with temperatures in the upper 20s. There's your 7-day forecast. The snow showers tomorrow morning, a little bit of sun in the afternoon. Christmas Day looking pretty good, and the rest of the week not bad with a moderation in temperature. And again, maybe some slick spots early tomorrow morning.
Always nice when the weather relatively cooperates for the holidays.
Now, overall, not too bad. No major storms, but be careful in the morning.
All right, Tony, thank you.